Hey everyone, Lucas at Laminex, and today I want to be talking to you about our pre-cut light cover film options, as well as where you can install them on your vehicle for maximum protection and style. Let's go. So what are Laminex light film covers? Our Laminex film light covers are a thick layer of adhesive-backed film that is made to protect your lights from any rock impact damage or scratch damage, or even any yellowing, fading, or pitting of the light that will happen over time. We make our film light cover kits pre-cut to the exact size of the light that you're trying to install on and made for an easy peel and stick installation. So where can I install Laminex light film covers? You can protect and style the headlight on your vehicle using our headlight film covers. We offer our headlight covers in clear to help you maintain that stock look, tint for a subtle tinted effect, gun smoke for a medium tint effect, and yellow and blue for extra customization while preventing the headlight from getting pitted or cloudy over time. We also offer pre-cut tail light film covers, which are made to help you customize and protect the tail light on your vehicle. We offer this product in tint, gun smoke, smoked, which will give you a medium brown effect, charcoal, which is our blackout film, and also red to help you match any other red tail lights. We also make covers for the fog light, driving light, and turn signal on your vehicle. These can be installed easily without removing any trim bezel, and we offer this product in clear, tint, gun smoke, yellow, blue, amber, green, and pink. We also make covers for the side and rear markers of your vehicle to help you further customize the look of your car or truck. We offer this product in red, tint, gun smoke, smoked, and charcoal. If you would like to learn more about any of these products, check out our website for more information. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.